Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is our student Ayush. He got placed in a company. Now he's going to share the experience about the PySpiders.
Hi everyone, my name is Ayush Kumar. I am from Kerry Society Degree College, affiliated to Bangalore University. I joined PySpider in the month of August, and now I am blessed. And I took the Python full stack development, where there were subjects like Python, SQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And all the subject we had to do the bootcamp to improve our communication, and we had to practice so that and they used to also conduct the mock interview, so to have the good interview experience. And this is all about my experience.
Okay. How classes was there? Get the experience about.
Yeah, classes yeah, every trainer put their effort to teachers. Classes was wonderful. They used to teach from the basics, so anyone can understand. And also we have to practice, and we do the boot camp, so we can easily understand the concept.
I wish him all the best for further career and good.
Thank you.